Okay, did everyone find theirs? What number are you?
We wanted to make sure that the kids understood what computer code was, or programming language, but with a purpose.
We have 5 different buttons here, and you can test to make sure they all work.
The Raspberry Pi is an inexpensive computer. Uses an operating system called Raspbian, or it's a form of Linux. But it's really user-friendly in terms of allowing the kids to get in, to access the code, to load the operating system.
When my parents told me about it, I was like, I don't want to do that. But then when I started doing it and I started actually coding, it was actually sort of fun.
Okay, so we're going to split you into 2 groups.
Coding could make really cool websites like Facebook, and you can make apps like Flappy Bird.
The applications are written in Python, so the kids can actually get into a terminal and start typing computer code quickly and execute it right away to see if it's working properly.
So these students are programming their Raspberry Pi motherboards. They are working with a 3D printer over here at the high school to create designs and actually print the plastic casing that will house the motherboard. Students will actually program the radio stations that they want to listen to, and they'll walk away from this program with a device that actually will be a working Pandora streaming speaker device.
I really liked the soldering. It was fun to put together the LCD screen. The coding was really fun. You got to change the games. I feel kind of powerful now that I know how to code.
It's not like if you become really good at singing, you're gonna make $1 million. Well, some people do, but coding, you make more money doing jobs, and it has to do with a lot of jobs. I want to be a doctor when I grow up, and you kind of have to know how to do that, and you have to know how to do math and science.
For me, the purpose was to have something that they constructed, something that they could make and touch and feel and say, okay, there's an underlying code that created how this thing works. If you just consume the content that other people create and don't know how or why it exists, you would sort of end up in your adult life being sort of at the liberty of everybody else that knows how to create that code.